Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. Today I'd like to show you how you can message one of your contacts using WhatsApp through your Command mobile app. So this is with one of the contacts in your Command mobile app database, and we will send them a message using WhatsApp through the Command mobile app. So at the top of your screen, we'll go ahead and open the Command mobile app by tapping on the red square with the white KW. Now, if you have not logged in recently, you may be prompted with a login screen here to enter your Command username and password and then the verification code. After you do that, it should bring you right back here to the dashboard. And the next step is to find the contact that you want to send the message to. So you can go ahead and choose one of the contact links on your dashboard that you see here, or you can click on the little person in the square at the bottom of the screen, which is your Contacts tab. Feel free to go ahead and use any of the search features at the top, the search bar, the filters, or any of the tabs, again, just to navigate to that contact that you want to reach out to. We're going to go ahead and use the Scott Leroy contact that you see in the middle of your screen. And when you want to send a message to them, what you're looking for is that center icon on the right-hand side, the little text icon. It looks like a little thought bubble with an ellipses in the middle of it, the 3 dots. You can notice on the Scott Leroy contact that it is raised. It has a white box around it with a little bit of a shadow behind it. That lets you know that there's a primary phone number on file for that contact that you can use to go ahead and send messages through. If you notice, it's like the contacts on the rest of the screen where it's grayed out, that just indicates that there is not a primary phone number on file for those contacts to actually send a message through your Command mobile app. So from here, we're going to go ahead and just choose that white message square beside the contact, Scott Leroy. And once you choose that, it gives you 2 options. One is to send a text through your actual mobile device, your phone, or to send it through the WhatsApp. So at the bottom, we're going to choose to send the message through WhatsApp. From here, your phone should automatically open your WhatsApp if you have it downloaded on your device. You may get this message. Now, ours is our phone number. It's not on WhatsApp, so it's letting you know you have the option to either invite that contact to WhatsApp or cancel. If that person was on WhatsApp, it would go ahead and begin drafting a message for you. No matter which option you choose at this point, if you notice the Command mobile option in the top left-hand screen, we're going to go ahead and tap that command and it will bring you back to the Command mobile app. So again, no matter which option you choose, cancel, invite them to WhatsApp, or actually send them a message, when you come back to the Command mobile app, you should see this pop up. And this is asking you if you'd like to add the activity to that contact's timeline. This is a great way to keep your communications documented. So go ahead and click on Add Activity. You'll notice the first 2 fields are filled out for you. It lets you know that interaction type is a text and it was on today's date. And then you can actually add a description here. And from there, in the top right-hand corner, make sure to click Save. And you'll get a banner at the bottom letting you know that that activity was added to that contact's timeline. Again, just documenting this for you. And you can quickly go ahead and move on with your next contact to send your next message. If you have any questions, how to do this, how to send a message to a Command contact using the Command mobile app through WhatsApp, or anything else to do with your KW platforms, feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.